They're on the edge of God doing something huge, but they don't know it. I mean, how many of us, when God has done something in our lives, we saw it coming? All of a sudden it was there and you're like, whoa. So they go to Moses, and Moses goes to God, and he was like, so I'm asking for a friend. They're wondering what was going to happen when we're out here. And look in Exodus chapter 14. And I like how the NIV cleans it up. If I was going to do this, he'd be like, shut up and do what I told you to. Just keep doing what I told you to do. You read that. It's there. It's there. So Moses goes out, and he's like, raise your staff above your head. He raises his staff above his head. The Jewish story behind this is God trusts you when you move, and he walks out into the water. It's at his ankles. And he walks out, and he's waist deep. And he walks out, and he's shoulder deep. He walks out, and he's neck deep, and then the waters begin to part. And the waters part, and then all the Israelites go through, and this is where we pick it up in Exodus chapter 15.